Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a video comparing the authentic Cartier Love Ring that everyone knows and loves and wants to get their hands on, but who wants to spend that coin? Nobody. To the dupe that I got online. You guys seem to really love the video where I compared the Love Bracelet, the authentic one, to the dupe that I got. And if you haven't seen it, I will link it below. But a lot of you were saying that you couldn't even tell the difference. Might be the same thing with this ring, so let's get right into it. So when I got this in the mail, it came like this. I was really confused. I was thinking, like, did someone send me drugs? Are the cops showing up to my house? And then I realized it was the fake Cartier Love Ring that I got. Side note, yes, my thumbnail popped off. My thumb press-on nail is missing. I've been obsessed with press-on nails since quarantine, but I lost a guy. Anyways, here is the Cartier Love Ring, the fake one. Let me get up close and personal for you guys. I got the one with the stones because that's the style that I wanted. And the authentic one that I have to compare it to doesn't have the stones, but you guys can see that the screw is pretty crisp. Whereas with a lot of the dupes that I've been seeing, I think the dead giveaway is how puffy the screw looks. I actually feel like I'm getting a better shot on my phone, weirdly enough, so I'm gonna do the rest of the video on the phone. So this is the dupe. You can see that the screw is a pretty good imprint. It doesn't go as crisp as the authentic does, which I'll take out in a second to compare it to. But the screws and the stones go all the way around. Now I'm going to do the side-by-side comparison. This is the beautiful Cartier packaging. It's so gorgeous. This is my husband's ring, so it doesn't fit me really well, but you guys will get the idea. Here is the authentic. This one's the authentic one. This one's the dupe. I'm actually going to leave it in the box for a second so you guys can see what I'm talking about better with the black background. It's just a better contrast. So with the authentic, it just looks more crisp. Obviously, the lines are a lot more polished and more refined, where this is just puffy. The dupe has this love imprinted on it, and I feel like I've seen that before on some of the authentics. This one, for some reason, like, maybe I'm just blind, but I don't see it. This is a newer ring. We got it last year, so maybe the newer versions just don't have that love imprinted on the side. But so now the dupes have the love, and the dupe has the love, and the authentic doesn't. But here they are side by side. I'm going to try to stack them like this. So the dupe is on the top and the authentic is on the bottom. You can see that, like, the color just looks a little bit different. On the dupe, it's just a little bit more yellow, like a little bit more like we're trying to be yellow gold, even though low-key we're not. And the authentic is actual yellow gold. On the inside, let me get this shot of, girl, your cuticles are not cute. This is what the inside of the dupe looks like. And the authentic, I'm not gonna really show the serial number or whatever, because, like, that's a big deal. But I will take a picture and edit what I need to. Future editing me here, I totally forgot to mention that the dupe was $14.99. I will link this one below, but a lot of the times with dupes, the links will stop working after like a day or so. So if it stops working, just leave me a comment and I will find you a new link, because I am a detective. In terms of thickness, you can see that the dupe is a tiny bit thinner. The dupe is on the top, the authentic is on the bottom, and this is what I mean with the screws just being a little bit puffier on the fakes. It's just not as crisp of a line as it is on the authentic. All right, guys, so that concludes this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up or leave a comment down below so I know that you like this kind of content, and I'll see what other dupes I can find, because love me a good dupe. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.